Really believe that today you'll become mine. God fulfilled the dreams I had in His perfect time. Words cannot convey the way I feel. I can't believe it's true. When you look into my eyes, Lord, I cherish you.